Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one interesting tool. It's called Pickle. It is not a sponsored video. It's something which I found interesting. So it's called getpickle.ai. You can make your Zoom calls easy. You got a meeting. Now you can let Pickle handle it. So how does it work? It is like a AI body double. So Pickle will join instead of you. So you can choose your pickle as the selected for camera, then it will show a body double in space of you. So I could take walks during meetings, a game changer. So this is what people say. No camera needed. This is crazy. Still cannot believe this actually works. That is what people are saying. The lip syncing looks so real. My team still thinks I am on camera. So freedom is just a click away. You got a meeting, let Pickle handle it. So you come to this website and click on Get My Pickle. So how does it work? So your AI body double Pickle will show up in seconds. So you can join your Zoom meeting, and in the Zoom meeting you will have this option of various camera to select. You can select Pickle camera. So when you switch to Pickle camera as your video feed, it will lip sync to your voice. So you may not be needing to join with video camera on, but if you show Pickle camera, then based on your voice, the Pickle camera will lip sync to your voice, and it will feel like you are talking on camera. So it is ready to use in 48 hours. You record a 5-minute video of you, and the training takes around 48 hours, and that is the app delivery. So you can claim your freedom. That's what they claim. As of now, it is available only on Mac. It is not free. It costs $24 per month, which is billed monthly, and it will provide you with 15 hours per month of usage, and it supports all video platforms, and it's unlimited pickle creation. And they have a $60 plan also, which provides like 40 hours per month of usage. So it supports all video platform, unlimited pickle creation. So there are some of the FAQs that you see here. Does Pickle only work in Zoom? No, Pickle works with all video conferencing platforms like Microsoft Teams, Google Meet. So what languages does Pickle support? Pickle can lip sync in any language and handle all type of sounds. Can I use Pickle on my iPhone? Right now Pickle is only compatible with Mac operating system. However, we are working to make Pickle available on iPhone and iPad soon. So is Pickle available for Windows users? Currently Pickle is available exclusively for Mac with a Windows version coming soon, it seems. So can I change Pickle's outfit? Each Pickle comes with a single outfit, but you can create multiple Pickles with different outfits and choose which one to use at any time. Is it possible to change the background while using? Yes, you can apply and change background filters provided by your video conferencing platform while using Pickle. So what is Pickle's refund policy if not satisfied? You can cancel Pickle at any time. If you're not happy with your Pickle, you can recreate a new one for free whenever you need it. So that's what it's about. You can sign up for this using Google, and you can try it out. So I hope this information is interesting. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.